Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace trunk struts on a Chrysler 300. First, gather all your tools and new struts. Make sure you have a safe, well-lit workspace. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a prop rod or another person to hold the trunk open securely. Safety is key before you begin any work. Now let's remove the old struts. Open your trunk and use a prop rod or have a helper hold it firmly. Locate the clips at each end of the strut. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry up the metal clip. You don't need to remove the clip entirely, just enough to release the strut from the ball stud. Repeat for both ends. With the old struts removed, it's time for the new ones. Align one end of the new strut with its corresponding ball stud. Firmly push the strut onto the ball stud until you hear a click, indicating it's securely attached. Do this for both the upper and lower connections. Then, repeat these steps for the second trunk strut on the other side. Once both new struts are installed, carefully remove any trunk support. Slowly close and open the trunk several times to ensure the new struts are functioning correctly. The trunk should open smoothly and stay securely in the open position without falling. This confirms your successful trunk strut replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.